welcome back to Lovebrittnyj. First time coming to the channel, please consider subscribing if you like anything about this video. But if you're not new, welcome back. But before we get into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified, and also check out my social media. It's gonna be right there in the corner. Now let's get into the video. So as you guys can tell, I'll be doing a review on pdshades, a company that was founded by a YouTuber named Prissy P. I'm going to put her link in the description box. And she partnered with her brother. His name is DJ. And that's where they get the P and D from for their company. And basically, they started the company because their mother had for her kidney. So that's the reason why they created their company called pdshades. And they're cute and affordable sunglasses that you can buy from them. And might I add, they are black owned. So in this time, in this pandemic, y'all want to support black owned businesses. They are one of them. And I found these cute sunglasses and I wanted to try them for myself because you already know it's hot girl whatever, I don't know, summer, because even though I'm not going anywhere, but it's still gonna be hot girl summer. It's already hot right now. So we're gonna just get into this video and I want to show you exactly what sunglasses that I got and my opinion on them. Okay, so let's get into it. This is the packaging and this is how it looks. This is how it comes in. This is what it comes in. I don't want y'all to see my address, so I'm gonna have to get it up. Just rip it open. So they come in these packaging right here, coming like this, and then it also has a little part. It says pdshades. And it says thank you for shopping with us, and you get 20% of your purchase goes towards kidney for Sabrina, and then it also gives you a 10% code off your next purchase. And then they have Instagram, it's called @pdshades, but I'm going to put all their information in the description box. Called the Beverly's. So I got these and it's how they look. This is the packaging of them. And then it comes like this, and you just take that off. So I'm just gonna put it on. Oh, okay. Hot girl summer. Cracking myself up. But okay, I really like these sunglasses. Like, stylish. And they're very sturdy. Like, you know how sometimes sunglasses come like, depending on how much you pay for them, they come very like flimsy and they can easily break, but these feel so firm. And then I always have to get sunglasses that fit my face, because if I don't, then this is not gonna look right. So at this point you can tell that I was feeling myself, but they were really cute glasses. Like, I like them a lot. They really frame my face, as you can tell, and they really look good on me. But y'all, I was really feeling myself. So these are the sunglasses. They're called the Beverly's. The detail, cute detail. And you really, like, I can really see a lot out of this, but I don't know if you can see my eyes. But you could probably, I don't know if you can see them. But yeah, I can see out of them really well. So that's cute. Hot girl summer. Y'all ain't ready. All right, let me get on my next pair. Usually when I order sunglasses, I always get a clear pair of like glasses in general. I don't know why, it's just me, because I don't get like double pair of sunglasses for some reason. So I end up getting these. This is the packaging. They're called Enos. So, and this is how they look. Clear frames. They come with the same packaging with a little slip. So these are glasses. Oh, I really like these. Okay, these are called the Enos. I really like these. I like these a lot more. Like, I don't know, I just like these a lot. I feel like they give me that, what I'm looking for. But yeah, these are the glasses. Let me know what you think in the comment section, which one you like the best. But I feel like these are the favorite ones. I feel like, because you can wear these every single day, not just in the summer, you know what I'm saying? So I really like these. I like these a lot. These are my favorite ones. Let me know in the comments which glasses you like the best. So these are the Enos. I'm gonna put that in the description box as well. These are the ones I got. And then I also got the Beverlys. So these are the Beverlys, and then these are the Enos. But I really like these. Yeah, it's ready to slay on a summer day. Period, poo. Sis, I'm just kidding. Y'all don't mind me. I'm be doing too much. I do too much. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Which glasses or which sunglasses or which set you like, which glasses you like the best. Were these the Beverlys? Were the Beverlys your favorite, or the Enos? Let me know in the comment section below. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified. Look, what I'm telling you, hit the bell. It's right there in the corner, because if you don't hit the bell, you won't know when I drop another video. And also, it helps me out a lot on the road to 500 subscribers. So if you want to help a girl out, and if you want to be a part of the fam, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit that subscribe button, as you will definitely see me on the next video. So thanks for watching, and always remember to love yourself and be yourself, and I will see you on the next video.